Brian from BioFire here to talk about why the BioFire Smart Gun allows you to enroll multiple users on the gun. Through our user research, we found a lot of different cases where people would talk to us about different scenarios where they wanted to have different people enrolled on the gun and a lot of different rationale for why they wanted that. So it could be a partner or spouse, somebody that they wanted to be able to access the gun if they weren't home, different scenarios where they might want to have somebody else in their life enrolled on the gun as well. Also, if they wanted to take it to the range and show it to somebody else and get some feedback on it, how would they do that if the gun didn't allow that? So we definitely built the gun through a combination of the Smart Dock and the Smart Gun to work together to allow the owner of the gun to add and remove other users. And it's really easy to do so once you're enrolled on the gun. So all you have to do is connect the dock to the gun, authenticate, and from there you go into user management and you get a list of all the users that are on the gun. So initially it's just going to be you as the owner, and you just click the button to add a new user, enter their name, follow all the steps to add their biometrics. And then a very important thing happens next, which is the duration of time that you want them to be added. So we do allow people to be either temporary or permanent users to the gun. So maybe in the scenario of a partner or spouse, you want them to have unlimited time access to the gun. It doesn't time out after a certain amount of time, so they're just perpetually a user of the gun unless you remove them. That's an option. You can also enter them for a few minutes. You're taking somebody to the range and you want to have them on the gun just for that range session and not want to have to worry about deleting them afterwards. You can set that right at the time that you enroll them as a user. So all that's done right via the dock. We basically built that to allow you as the owner of the gun to have total control over who has access to the gun.